Hello guys, my name is Ravindra Meena. Welcome to my channel, Call of Duty. In this video, I will show you how you can send any Chrome link to your Android phone. Wouldn't it would be interesting if you can send this link to your Android phone without using any third-party app. So in order to accomplish this, we just need to follow few steps. There are two important things that you need to make sure. First, you should be logged into your browser from Google account and use that same Google account and log in into your Android phone. So these are the two important things that you need to take care of. Now open a tab and type Chrome colon flags slash hash enable send to flags and hit enter. After this, just close the tab and close the Chrome browser and open the Chrome again. Now let's try to visit any website. This is Ubuntu's website. Now I will right click on this tab. Here you will see send to OnePlus phone. I am using the OnePlus phone, so it's showing my phone name here. Click on that. It says sending. It has sent the notification to my Android phone. I will now show it to you. So here is the screenshot from my phone, and as soon as you click on this notification, it will open the link in the Android phone. There is one thing that you need to take care of, that you should be logged in both in your desktop Chrome browser and Android Chrome browser. Then only this method will work. That's all in this video. I hope you like this video. Like and subscribe and share with your friends. All the best.